Hello. So this is from me to you, right? You alumni member, community member, for whatever reason you haven't registered and you keep telling us that you are coming. It's next week. Oh. The convention is next week. And we're prepared. We're heavily prepared. And what I want to do for you specifically, especially if you are a member of the alumni, I'm going to ask Yinka and Melvis to have a conversation with you and try and see how we can get you in the room, right? You don't want to miss any of this. You don't want to miss the convention, especially if you're somebody that has attended the Strategy Factory this year, if you're somebody that attended the convention last year or 2 years or 3 years ago, or you're somebody that attended Strategy Factory at any point, in the last 10 years, right? You want to be in this meeting because 10 years ago, we started a journey to help businesses hit their first billion. We're starting a new journey on the 26th. And I'm going to be announcing it, and trust me, you want to be a part of that. So reach out to Yinka or Melvis, whichever of them that sent this to you, and have a discussion with them. There's something for you that would enable you to come to the convention. Have a great day. Hopefully we see you at the convention.